don't know, guys, pour yourself a cup of hot cocoa, get yourself a pack of coffee filters, and let's make some snow. Does that sound like your idea of a good time? Well, do I have a video for you? It's this one, it's the one you're watching. Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade with me, Marianne. And can you believe it? This is my last video of 2020. Whew, it's both been like the longest and fastest year ever. But you know what has been the brightest spot of 2020? It's been making these videos from my house. We made it to the end of the year, and that means the holidays. And you know what, guys? Holidays may look a little different this year, but that is not gonna stop me from decorating my little crafty heart out. So I kind of figured I would take it back to my roots. Today, I'm just gonna keep it really low key. I'm gonna make like 1,000,000 coffee filter snowflakes. Okay, so it feels kind of silly to give you a paper snowflake tutorial. I mean, I feel like we've probably all made some version of these, whether you used coffee filters or not. I recommend grabbing a pencil and then, you know, a handy dandy craft knife if you have a really intricate pattern that you can't handle with scissors. Now, scissors, you can use literally any scissors for these. However, I am using these fine-tipped detail scissors. Why not? First thing you want to do is smooth your coffee filter down. So we're going to take our coffee filter and fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And then we're going to fold one more time. Now you can kind of take the handle of your scissors or something and just like really smooth those creases down, just to ensure that everything is nice and even. We're gonna start with like a classic snowflake shape. We're going to come down like this, out like this, kind of making some jagged, pointy shapes. So we've got that kind of shape. There's truly no wrong way. So now grab your scissors, just start cutting it out. Make sure you're cutting through all the layers of paper. Now what I like about this classic snowflake shape is it's almost all just straight lines. Like, this is my favorite part. The unfolding. It's so satisfying every single time. Now, as you can see, our snowflake is a little like floppy and bendy. Have no fear. Just grab a book. I'm in the kitchen, so I've got a cookbook, and we're gonna press it under a cookbook. Okay, so the next design we're going to make, I would qualify under looks much harder than it actually is. So to make this one, we are going to draw kind of an arc shape that comes down, another line like this, and another line like this. See what I mean about using the pencil? I mean, I could have freehanded this, but the pencil takes away all the guesswork. Okay. I mean, it just looks like nothing, right? And voila. I mean, it's so delicate and lacy. You can really see how beautiful that is. And it was seriously 4 cuts, and it made that. I mean, I think we should just keep going, right? All right, I'm gonna show you one more design, and then we're just gonna like go ham on this whole stack and just freestyle to our heart's content. I really love this design because, like all of these, it honestly looks a lot harder and more impressive than it actually is. Definitely need a pencil for this one. And you're going to want a small cutting mat as well to protect your work surface, because we're going to use our craft knife for part of this. First thing we're going to do is draw a line down the center. All right, so we are going to go down each side and we're kind of making an arrow pattern. You should try to make them roughly the same width. All right, and then just do the same down the other side. And now, just because sometimes I struggle with which one to cut out and which one I'm leaving, I'm gonna go through and put a mark on every other line, and the ones with the marks are the ones that are getting cut out. Now, grab your scissors. I like to cut in not all the way to the line, too. Kind of gives us a little spine down the center. This one is maybe the most exciting one to open up because it just looks so cool. Oh, yeah, it's so cool. So pretty. I mean, honestly, guys, that's just 3 designs, but my favorite way to make these is just to freeform them. So I think I'm just gonna zone out and make some paper snowflakes for a while. Okay, so you may be wondering, these snowflakes are cute and all, but what exactly do I do with them? Well, guys, there's so many things you can do with these. These might be one of the cheapest and easiest crafts to make during the holidays. Ooh, that's a bold claim, but I think I'm gonna go with it. You can stick these all over a door, a window. You could string them together and make a garland, or you could hang them all from a branch or a piece of greenery to make a beautiful festive wall hanging. And the best part is, you don't have to just leave these up during the holidays. They're really pretty all winter. They kind of give you that, you know, Scandinavian, I'm gonna try to say it, hygge? I always say it wrong, but you know what I mean, that cozy, wintry vibe. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it has inspired you to get out some scissors and just chill out and make some easy paper crafts. Isn't that what we all need right now? After the year we've all had? I certainly do. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite cheap and cheerful holiday decoration. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And guys, have a super happy holiday, whichever one you celebrate. And most importantly, a happy new year. I'll see you in 2021.